This is my last-ditch effort. Please stay to the end of this video, as it would help me tremendously. We decided to take a leap and start our own cat shelter after rescuing Rex, who was abandoned on the other side of the road, not long after we saved Stacy, a kitten who had her left starving. We've been trying our best to keep the shelter alive, but it's been a struggle, so we started a GoFundMe to help keep Rex, Stacy, and all our cats fed and the shelter alive. If we can't keep the shelter open, they'll send all our cats to the streets. If you can please boost this post by commenting. We'd appreciate it a lot, thank you.